Today we will learn about solidworks assembly. Okay, just now go to this new and click this assembly and click OK. Okay, just we will choose our assembly part. This is our assembly part, solidworks tutorial. This is the, just click here this file and click open. Now see our part is open in this. Just click and cancel it, and just just go to this part and right click and go to this plot. Just click plot, because just again go to this and just click this origin, view origin. Now see our view is the 2 point. Just you will go to matte and click on this origin point and click on this origin point. Now it is converted as a coincident and click OK. Now it is created as a coincident. Just click OK. Again go to this insert component and click this another. Just I will choose this file and click open. Our file is open. Just click here and go to this remove component and click this rotate component. Just now rotate this and click, just rotate this. Just move it this or this and this. Just go to this and click this rotate. Now rotate this, rotate this. Okay, just right click and select. Just you click this height, just you can move it here or there. At first, now you will go to matte and click this. Actually it will fix on this surface. Just we will choose this. This is the standard matte, and just we will choose this space, and it will fix with this space. So we will click this space. Now it is automatically selected coincident and just click OK. Now see, it is fixed on this surface. Now it will fix this face and this face. So again I will click this space and click this space. Now it is automatically converted coincident. Now click OK. Our face will fix with these spaces. So again I will click this space. Now see, again I will click this space and I will click in this space. Now see, it is automatically shifted from this face with these spaces. Just click OK. Now see, it is fixed with this. Okay, if you want to learn about assembly, you can watch my another video. I already given video link about assembly. This is the tractor's body part. I will make all assembly for this tractor. If you want to know more, you can check my description link. I already given description link video. You will check how to assembly complete for this tractor. Okay. Thank you for watching.